everybody! Look what we have here. We have Mash'ems. We have Paw Patrol Mash'ems. Let's see what's inside this one. Who could it be? Will it be Sky? Will it be Everest? No, it's Rubble. And here he is with his yellow hat on. Hey, Rubble. Look at him. He is so stretchy. Oh, stretch him. Squeeze him. Look at his funny face. Whoop, squeeze. That's it. You can go and join the others. Now, what do you think is in this one? I think maybe Chase. Let's see. Open it up. We have Marshall. And he has his red hat on. Hey, Marshall. Squeezing his face. Oh, look at how squashy he is. Squeeze him. Now, last one. Who do we think we have? I think we must have Sky. I think that's going to be Sky. Let's have a look. It's another Marshall. An upside down Marshall. There he is, Marshall. Off you go. All with the others. So we've got Sky, Everest, Marshall, Zuma, Rocky, Rubble, Chase, and 2 more Marshalls. And look who we have here. We have Grandpa Pig, Peppa Pig, and George. And they're at the park today. Look, we have a slide. Who's going on the slide first? It's George. Off you go, George. Climb the ladder. Whee! That was fun, George. Who's next? Who gets to go next? It's Peppa. Go on, Peppa. On the slide. Whee! That was fast, Peppa. That was fun. Grandpa Pig, you can't go down the slide. You're much too big. Oh, yes, I can. Whee! Well done, Grandpa Pig. That was very fun. Now what should we do at the park? Oh, let's have our sandwich. We have cheese and lettuce. Let's cut it up so we can all have a slice. Grandpa Pig. Delicious. And Peppa Pig. That was so tasty. And little George, he gets his sandwich. Yum. What should we do now? I just don't know. What can we do now? Oh no, we found a muddy puddle. Grandpa Pig, look how dirty you are. And Peppa, look at all the mud. George, you have mud all over your face. Where did you find the dirty mud, Grandpa Pig? When Mummy Pig sees her little children covered in mud, she's going to be very cross. Let's get the mud off then, and then we can go home nice and clean. There we go, Grandpa Pig. Much cleaner. Who's next? Little George, let's get the mud off of you. And Peppa. All clean. Much better. You can go home and you're not grubby anymore. Bye-bye, Grandpa Pig. Bye-bye, Peppa Pig. Bye-bye, George. Grandpa Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Grandma Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Grandpa finger, Grandma finger, Daddy finger, Mummy finger, baby finger. All the family together. Bye-bye, baby finger. Bye-bye, Mummy. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa.